Welcome back to Learn with Eamon. Today we are diving deep into a very common question. What's the difference between accounting and auditing? There are two fields, work closely but serve different purposes. Whether you are a student, professional or a job person, understanding this can give you an edge. So let's begin. What is accounting? So accounting is the language of business. It involves recording every financial transaction, classifying it, summarizing it, and presenting it in the form of financial statements like the income statement and balance sheet. It helps stakeholders understand how a business is performing. While what is auditing? So, auditing is more like a quality check on accounting. It verifies whether the financial statements prepared by accountants are true and fair or not. An auditor doesn't do the accounting, they verify it. Purpose of each. So, accounting's purpose is to record and report financial data, while auditing's purpose is to verify accuracy and detect errors or frauds. So, accounting's end users are the managers, owners, tax authorities, while auditing's end users are the investors, regulators, and stakeholders. Nature of work. Accounting is ongoing, while auditing is periodic. Accounting is done daily, transactions, payroll, or invoices, while auditing is typically annual or biannual to assess the reliability of those daily records. Types. Accounting has different types like financial accounting, managerial accounting, or cost accounting, while auditing has different types, or these are like internal audit, external audit, forensic audit, statutory audit. Legal requirements. Accounting is mandatory for all businesses under law, while auditing is mandatory only for companies, not for sole proprietors. Okay, so now let's talk about their key responsibilities. An accountant is responsible to prepare journal entries, ledgers, trial balances, to prepare final accounts, and to follow accounting standards, example IFRS or GAAP, while auditor is responsible to examine accounting records, detect errors, frauds, and misstatements, provides opinion on financial health. Example scenario. So we have ABC Private Limited company earns 10 million rupees this year. The accountant records revenues, expenses, taxes, and prepares statement, while the auditor checks those statements for fairness, accuracy, and compliance. Skills required. For accounting, a person or an accountant must have analytical skills, accuracy and attention to details, and knowledge of accounting software. While for auditing, an auditor must have investigative mindset, legal and ethical awareness, independence and objectivity. Career opportunities. Accounting's career is accountant, financial analyst and budget analyst. Auditing's career is internal auditor, external auditor or forensic auditor. Certification. Accounting certificates are ACCA, CMA, CPA or CA, while auditing certificate is CIA, CISA and CFE. So tools and software. For accounting, we use softwares like QuickBooks, Xero, SAP, Tally, Oracle. And for auditing, we use tools like Caseware, IDEA, ACL Analytics and Audit Board. If we have a look on our summary table, so we can see that accounting's frequency is daily, while auditing's frequency is periodic. Accounting is performed by accountants, while auditing is performed by auditors. Accounting's objective is to maintain financial records, while auditing's objective is to verify financial records. Accounting's regulatory basics are under accounting standards, while auditing's are under our auditing standards. Importance in business. Both accounting and auditing are pillars of trust in business. Accounting helps in management and decision making, while auditing protects the interest of shareholders, investors, and the public. Common misconceptions. Auditors are not accountants, but they understand accounting. Accounting is not only data entry, it's strategic. Auditing is not always about fraud, it's about fairness. Real world example. We have Enron scandal in 2001. It is manipulated accounting reports, failed auditing oversight, led to Sarbanes-Oxley Act in the US and highlighted the importance of both roles. AI in accounting versus auditing. So, with AI, both fields are evolving fast, but the human role in judgment and ethics remains critical, especially for auditors. So, conclusion. So, here the bottom line. Accounting keeps the business running while auditing keeps it trustworthy. Both are crucial and both offer rewarding careers. Historical evaluation of accounting and auditing. Accounting origin dates back to ancient Mesopotamia into 3000 BC. Modern double entry system originated in 1494 by Luca Pacioli, known as the father of accounting. So if we talk about auditing's origin, so originally done orally in ancient civilization, evolved with industrialization and the rise of corporate ownership in the 19th century, became formalized after major financial scandals. This shows how accounting and auditing evolved from basic record keeping to sophisticated professions essential to the economy. Regulatory bodies and standards. Accounting. Accounting's regulatory bodies are IFRS, GAAP, and IASB, while auditing's regulatory bodies are ISA, PCAOB, and IAASB. Regulatory bodies create the framework that governs how accounting and auditing are performed, ensuring global consistency, transparency, and comparability. Common risk detected in audits. These are revenue misstatement, asset overstatement, fictitious transactions, weak internal controls, payroll frauds, and inventory manipulations. Bonus tip for students and learners. Start with accounting, then specialize in auditing if you enjoy verification, risk, and compliance. Understand Excel deeply, vital in both fields. Stay current with laws, standards, and tools, and ethics are non-negotiable in both domains. So that's all for today. If you learned something valuable today, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your classmates or team members. And if this video clarified the difference for you, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share with others. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned and happy learning.